Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to do this pattern like this, okay, on the wall, okay. So let's get into it. Alright, okay. First, just create your wall, something like that. This one I set around 150 lah. Okay, my wall is 150 thickness, something like that. Alright. So to create this, we go into free modeling. Okay, free modeling to create okay. So go into free modeling. Okay. Next, I add auxiliary, okay, like this. Okay, side, straight line like this. Okay, since my wall is 150, so I create 150 wall thickness also lah. 150. Alright, so I have something like this. Okay, next, I create my rectangle here. From here to here, 150, 150, so not 150 and 150. Okay, stretch up. So my default is 2800 at 2800. So if you guys got your original size, get the original size wall. Okay, mine is 2800. Okay, next, so I'm going to draw here. So now it's still 150. Alright, 150, never change. Okay, then I also stretch up 2800. Okay, then you get something like this. So next, okay, roughly around here lah. Okay, so I give a rough estimation lah. Okay, alright. So come here, we add auxiliary. So I roughly go around middle point lah. Alright, for my now. Okay, so since the thickness is also 150, right? So this one I'm gonna go create another one, 150. Okay, next going to create an arc. So I come here, draw. So not arc. So I point here, two edge, so not midpoint. Draw. So let's say this is 800, 850. Okay, 50, 850. Okay, then this one same, this one to here. Okay, 850. Alright, so I got my pattern. Okay, next, I'm going to stretch it. Okay, select this one. So now my plus button. Okay, plus button. Okay, so my wall thickness is 150. So I push in like that. Okay, push left a little bit. Okay, 150. Okay, then it will look something like that. Same goes for this one. Push go there, 150. Okay, remember I press the shift button, shift button. So the plus button, so my plus button. Okay, so next, gonna just delete this one. So you got your curve like that. Right, so I'm gonna group this. As this wood, right? Then my wall. Yeah. Okay, select my wall. So anything did not select, not this one. Okay, my wall. Okay, group Control G. Right, so I got my wall. Okay. Okay, next, going to put the texture. So let's say my wall texture. Wall texture is okay. My wood texture. So not control button. So press hold control button. So my wood. Then my wall is stone. Okay, stone lah, right? So let's say put this my wall lah. Okay, control button. Yeah, so this is my wall. Okay, so lastly we got the mirror, right? So mirror, I use a superboard. Come here, superboard, system cabinet. But just as around 5,000, right? So 5,000. Okay, so 150, so let's just make it 100. Okay, then my height maybe I just go for 2,000 or 2,500. He go ceiling, right? So yeah, so let's press Z, go up roughly to the ceiling there. Okay, go in here. Okay, roughly like that. So if too thick, then just adjust it again now. So go 50 lah. Okay, this. Okay, since it's not enough width, so let's give it 1,000. Should be enough lah. Alright. So you guys get your own number, okay? This is my roughly only, So roughly like 5,000 lah. Should be correct already. Yep. So 5,000 or 4,900. Yep. So roughly like this. Okay. Then you change your texture. Glass. Glass. Where are you, glass? Glass material. So not mirror. Oriented. Should be oriented. Clear glass. Now I'm gonna go for this one, optical glass. Okay, then I will start render lah. Alright. Okay, so the result is something like this, you can see through. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.